These 17 tricks can help you make $400 a day, with affiliate marketing using free traffic. There are many forms of online advertising, but generally, we can classify them into three main types: involuntary advertising, voluntary advertising, and incentive advertising. Involuntary advertising. Involuntary advertising refers to any advertising solution that forces prospects to look at your website involuntarily. It includes showing your website in the form of pop-up, pop under, or showing your site first before showing the actual site, as in the ads in AdFly and so many hits. Involuntary advertising solution is probably the most challenging form of advertising because it is obtrusive and usually the traffic is less targeted. Most people close those uninvited pages as soon as they see them. Voluntary advertising. Voluntary advertising refers to any advertising solution where prospects make a conscious effort to visit your website. This form of advertising includes Google AdWords, Facebook ads, banner advertising, classified, article marketing, and sponsored forum posts. Prospects first see your ad, then click it to visit your website. It is more targeted and the qualities of the prospects are usually better since they consciously choose to view your website. The only problem is since it's voluntary, you may not get much traffic to your website, not to mention conversion or sales. Incentive advertising. Incentive advertising refers to any advertising solution where prospects are rewarded to view your website. The reward may be in monetary terms, credits, or points that can be exchanged for more traffic to their websites. This form of advertising includes paid-to-read email, paid-to-surf, and traffic exchanges. The advantage of such an advertising solution is that although the intentions of the prospects are questionable, at least you get a chance to show your offer in front of them. As the traffic profile usually includes people interested in making money, self-improvement, business opportunities, and traffic, if you have a good offer that matches this interest group, you can usually get a good response. The disadvantage is the higher level of difficulty in selling to this group of people. This means you need to be a more sophisticated advertiser, which is what this report is all about. Don't wait any longer, get your hands on the Insider Advertising Report today and start enjoying complete free ads. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest in insider advertising, make sure to subscribe to Leads Leap. I will leave a link in the description of my channel. I'll be live streaming and sharing all the latest tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe today. In the description, I also live under 16 tricks so you can share this report and build leads. Is important, so read it. I did not want to make this video longer to waste your time, so I resume and leave it for your benefit.